Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and today it is time to finally unbox and have a good look at my recent PaintGem additions. So if anybody knows, at the beginning of this year they seem to have gone a little bit crazy on the releases, and while there is still 3 that I have not managed to get, I am hoping to soon. These are 3 that did arrive. Well, actually 4. Sorry, one of them I've got on what seems to be a long back order. But these are 3 that have arrived with me. They arrived during June Waffle, and I thought we'd have a look at them together. So I am chopping up the packaging as we go along, because I don't have the space to store all the boxes like this. So the first one we're on is Balcony Edition. This one has 12 different designs. So I'm going to put those bits of card together. You do get a toolkit with each PaintGem. As normal, I will just show you what's in one. But you do get some plastic tweezers. You get a white tray. You get a glitter pen, a couple of multi-placers, a 3 and a 9 I think they are. Oh, try and get that not in there. You get a squishy, so you pop that on your pen to give it a bit of a better grip, and you also get a pot of wax. So you get one of those in each, and they do come in these gorgeous little PaintGem bags. So I'm going to put those to the side, and let's have a look at this one. So this one has 47 colours. I'm pretty sure it was, yeah, so 47 colours in this one. Very nearly used every single sticker. And this is the bit that I don't keep hold of, so that will go for recycling. But these are the colours, if you can see them there. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. I say we have the stickers, but let's have a look at the canvases. That's what I like to have a look at. So we've got these with grapes, and I haven't actually opened these already either. We have this one with a little window box and some shutters. It's a little bit like a beach hut. Then we have a sort of steel type balcony with plants or ivy. Have another one here, little balcony with some nice doors. Not that of course they're all balconies, but they're all different types. We have this one. They like their plants. In fact, all of these balconies look amazing because they also have plants, which are going to look so good with some diamond industrials when I get round to doing this one. We have a gorgeous pink door. Another one with shutters and metal railings. Another metal railings. And last, but by no means least, this has got a little bit of a awning on the top. So yeah, they are the 12 different paintings in balcony. So I then keep all the canvases in there. I put this on the top, and they go in one of these bags in A5 size. So that one is done. The diamonds go in a separate tub. And then I just fish out the diamonds later. They all sit underneath my desk. Well, they do once. I've actually put them in my logbook. They will sit to go in my logbook first. But this next one is called Gamer Girl, and it looks like it's 16. Yeah. 16 different designs in this one, obviously heavily featuring pink and purple. So we have a toolkit bundle. We have a few less colours on this one, but still a decent amount. Take off 12, 36. Making me do math. 36 different colours on this one. You see there are quite a few different shades of pink and purple. So we've got a few purples there. We've also got quite a few shades of pink and some deeper colours, as well as some mint and some blue as well. So let's have a look at the designs in this one. Oh, so we have some that are horizontal, but we have a keyboard. These all do have names on the back, but we've got what looks like just some gaming type symbols. Do you want to start? Yes or no? We've got a new game loading on the screen. We have a mouse. We have, of course, caffeine, maybe, of some sort. Oh, a CD. I was trying to work out what that was. As soon as I looked up in the camera, I could tell. Then we have a You Win on a laptop. Oh, we have some cat headphones. We have a Gamer Girl. We have Gamer Girl in words. Oh, we have some form of Nintendo. Again, also looks to have cat ears. We have a gaming chair. We have a game console. We have a microphone. And we have a controller. So, awesome lot in those. They will be very funky to do. So let's pop my stickers inside those. And put my cards on the front and bob these into an A5 wallet. And let's have a look at the last one. So this one we have the Sushi edition. So say there's a few editions that I've not managed to get hold of yet. I think I'll have to start keeping an eye on their website. It looks like we have 16 in this one too. Yes, so we have 16 in this one as well. I am not going to even attempt to name these as we go through. Pre-warning, because that will just be a hash. So let's move the box out the way. So this one has 32 colours, again having to do maths, but we have 32 colours, quite a bit of a different colour palette on this one, but actually a really pretty colour palette. So we've got some pinks, oranges, reds and greens, as well as some browns and creams. That actually is a really nice different colour palette, which is going to be so fun to do because it's different. So let's have a look at the canvases on this one. So here we go. Say, oh, we do. Looks like we do. Is that the way that they show it on here? It is. They do show it on its side. So they do show it this way on the images. So I think we're going to have maybe a bit of both. Oh, these are going to be so fun to do. These are ones that are well and truly going to come to life as you pop the diamonds on, I think. I think we've got another one that goes this way. I feel like I need to keep my little cheat sheet here. Yes. Salmon something. I said I wasn't going to name them, so I'm not going down that route now. And then we have these. Beautiful. I really like the sort of tone in like the rice that they do, and even the tone in what I think is seaweed. Yeah, it's got 3 different sort of colours in there, and it just really brings it to life. I think it's going to be so much fun to put the diamonds on these. And that's what I like as well about getting each of these sets, is that quite often you just end up with completely different colour palettes and just something completely different to do that can just be fun for a different way. It's not like I would say I would put a request in for them to do a sushi set, but I will do one if they do one. And there we go. That is the final image. So we have 16 images in that one. And I have 3 more PaintGem to add to my PaintGem library, which, if anybody knows, I have in no way completed more PaintGem this year than I have purchased. But you never know. I may get caught up at some point. June Waffle definitely helped. But yeah, they're the latest 3 sets from PaintGem. As always, there will be a link down below with a discount code for PaintGem if you do want to give any of their sets a go. I have absolutely gazillions that I have done. I also have gazillions that I have unboxed and not yet done. But yeah, I'm looking forward to de-kitting from June Waffle because that means I can kit up a new one, and I will more than likely put the new ones that I've had this year, or at least I think. So these are all the new ones that have not yet made it into my logbook. But I think I will be popping all of these into my decision wheel when I kit up my next PaintGem, so that there's always that chance of me getting a new one or an older one. And there are many sets, both in this and the ones that I haven't done yet, that I'm excited to do. So stay tuned for that video coming at some point. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.